Good morning, students. So, yesterday from Economics Chapter 1, we have discussed about the infrastructure of village Palampur, and also we have discussed about the various ways for increasing the production from the same piece of land. Under that, I have explained you two methods for that. That is, one was multiple cropping. Another method that was used over there was modern farming methods. Now, what is this multiple cropping that we have discussed yesterday? That is to grow more than one crop on the same piece of land. Other than that, under the modern farming method, we have discussed that it involves the use of modern implements. What kind of modern implements? Say for example, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides. Those are used for increasing the production from the same piece of land. अब जब ये मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स नहीं आए थे तब उससे पहले क्या यूज़ करते थे? What was the thing which was used prior to that? That was the traditional farming methods were there before this. Now, what was done under this traditional farming method? Under traditional farming method, the ट्रेडिशनल टाइप ऑफ सीड्स दोज वर यूज्ड. अभी मैंने मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स में आप लोगों को बताया ना कि दैट द HYV सीड्स दोज वर यूज्ड, बट ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग मेथड्स के अंडर क्या होता था? द ट्रेडिशनल सीड्स दोज वर यूज्ड, और उन सीड्स से प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करने के लिए क्या करते थे? द नेचुरल मैन्योर्स दोज वर यूज्ड एज द fertilizers. The best example that you can learn for this natural manures is, say for example, cow dung that was used for increasing the production from that same piece of land. Like that, the various natural manures were used for increasing the productivity. Other than that, as per changing times, what happened? There was green revolution. Green revolution was the initiative which was taken by the government to increase specifically the production of wheat and rice. Today in detail we are going to discuss about this green revolution and how the land is being distributed amongst the farmers in village Palampur. So let's start it up.